Easy to use and install. This 6 inches HD15 to component RCA breakout cable adapter features a male VGA, HD15, connector and female component video connectors, converting a VGA output port for connection to a display monitor that uses component video input. Constructed of only top-quality materials and expertly designed for reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly as long as your device supports YUV color space. After wading through the positive and negative reviews, I decided this was the cable I needed for my home theater system and went for it. And, lo and behold, it works great with my ViewSonic PJD7820 HD projector, which I also bought on Amazon. I used this to convert the Wii's component to VGA, as this projector doesn't support direct component in. The projector automatically switched to the appropriate color space and all was well. If your monitor, projector, or otherwise supports native YUV color space, this should work. If it only supports RGB, which likely means it won't have any option you can see or change, then your image will be discolored to the point of UNUSABILITY. If you have no idea what I am talking about, do some research first. Look in your display's instruction manual, see what other people have said, or something first. If you still have no idea what I am talking about, don't risk it and go for a slightly more expensive converter, instead of this adapter, which will also convert your signal to RGB color space, which should work on whatever you've got.